Please prepare solution according to the number of samples. 70% methanol. Mix methanol and deionized water in a ratio of 7:3. Wash buffer. Mix 20 concentrated wash buffer and deionized water in a ratio of 1:19. Homogenizer for homogenizing samples. Note: use a clean homogenizer every time. Number the sampling order. Weigh 2 grams of homogenate sample into 50 milliliters centrifuge tube. Note: keep the medicine spoon clean before weighing different samples. Add 20 milliliters of 70% methanol solution 1. Oscillate for 5 minutes with oscillators. Centrifuge at 4,000 revolutions per minute for 10 minutes at room temperature. Take 0.5 milliliter of supernatant to another centrifuge tube. Add 0.5 milliliter of deionized water. Mix fully. Number the sample and standard in order multiple well, and keep record of standard wells and sample. Wells, standard and samples need test in duplicate. Add 50 L of standard or sample per well. Add 50 L of HRP conjugate to each well. Add 50 L of antibody working solution. Cover the plate with plate sealer. Oscillate for 5 seconds gently to mix thoroughly. Incubate at 25 for 30 minutes in shading light. Uncover the sealer carefully. Remove the liquid in each well. Immediately add 300 ml of wash buffer solution to each well and wash. Repeat wash procedure for 5 times, 30 seconds intervals time. Invert the plate and pat it against thick clean absorbent paper if bubbles exist in the wells. Clean tips can be used to prick them. Add 50 ml of substrate reagent A to each well, and then add 50 ml of substrate reagent B. Gently oscillate for 5 seconds to mix thoroughly. Incubate at 25 for 15 minutes in shading light. The reaction time may be shortened or prolonged according to the depth of the color. Add 50 ml of stop solution to each well. Oscillate gently to mix thoroughly. Determine the optical density or the value of each well at 450 nanometers. Reference wavelength 630 nanometers with a microplate. Reader, this step should be finished in 10 minutes after stop reaction.